Oh, what's going on? It's crazy. I mean, I get up, I just can't win. Just not too long ago, I had a flat tire. Showed you guys on the video. You go back and check it out. Fix that. And here I go. I come out here today. It's raining outside. You know, I'm hoping to come outside and hop in a ride and run to the gym. You know, get in or something, whatnot. I come out here to a flat tire. So I pull the car in here, right over here in the garage with a flat. I don't like that. That little tiny driving on the sidewalk, but you know, I was home before it went flat. So that's one good thing. That's what I got right here though. Yeah, you hear that? I don't know what that is. We about to press it. You can do it! Ain't that what they say? So as you can see, you thread it in there. It's gonna be rubber cement, gonna make it a little hard. So you could wait till you actually get it threaded to put a rubber cement on. But you can use these pliers that assist you as well. You know, it's different things you can do. Kind of push it on there and grab it over here on the other side. Kind of beat up from last time I used it. There we go. As you can see what that rubber cement is doing, it's making this stick nice and gooey. So that's a good thing. That's why you want to use it. You want to pull this stick down through there. It's gonna be a little hard, but you can do it, you know. So pull that thing through. I'm gonna get about halfway through there like so. Put a little bit more rubber cement on this side that we're gonna pull it through. Make sure we got rubber cement all around there, so this thing make a real good contact. You want this temporary fix to be a permanent stay. Just because you put one of these in your car don't mean you gotta get a tire replacement soon. No, that means to save yourself some money. That's all that means. Don't do that. That right there was a little tiny nick.
go right here. What's the problem? If this was just a screw, I'd be able to see the line of travel. It would have made not taking it off a lot easier, but being that it was porcelain, whatever it was in there, I couldn't really tell which way to direct this. That's why I chose option 1 and take this thing. As you can see, it's still shards that are shooting out from the air pressure. You can see that in there. That's how you do it. You want to work that hole so that you can have it good and ready to insert the dome, that thing. Put a little bit more of this stuff on it. If it ain't lubricated, what's the point of doing it? That thing lubricated. Yeah. Alright. It ain't going in easy, I'll tell you that much. Alright. So you gotta work it. Definitely some work. We got it in there. As clean as I like it to go in there, but it's definitely in there. This was a tough one, being that it was on top of one of these fresh treads. Just yanking on it. Make sure I got. Alright, so I'm gonna get a razor and I'm gonna cut all this excess off. Or you're gonna be riding down the road like you on a lump or something. I can't find razor blade, and you just cut off this little excess. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. There we go. As you can see, we got it. Yeah, we got all of it in there pretty much. Just a little residue on the outside, but it's in there. So we good to go. Let's check our tire pressure. Right here. My other tire showing 32 as well, so I'm gonna be good right here. How you can get this done with no issues at all? You just gotta have the right tools in place, and you can do this. It's too easy. You can do this. You need an emergency roadside kit. You need to make sure you got your sticks and your tire repair kit in there, along with your slime and everything else. Your air compressor. Be ready for the road. Don't let the road get you. This is your boy A-Roll, and I'm out of here. So we'll be back. I'll be back. Peace.